guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be going over the basic functions of parts. Now if you haven't already installed Roblox Studio and set up your game, please watch my previous video on how to do that right now. Now for those who have done it already, let's dive in. So on the top of the Roblox Studio window, click Model, then click Part. A part will be added into your game. Now click Model, and you got 5 modes to choose from. Select, in which you can just drag the part, click this, and I'll go to Model. When you select this part, you can drag around freely, model it, move, so you can move the parts in the X, Y, and Z axis, scale, so you can scale in the X, Y, and Z axis, and rotate, so you can rotate in the X, Y, and Z axis. Now for some of you guys that are trying to move and rotate around, it may be at a fixed rate. So it's probably like this or something. This is because you have rotate checked and move checked. You're going to want to uncheck these so you can move the object and rotate them freely. There you go. So now that we've gone over the basic functions on moving it, rotating, all the stuff, now let's go over the properties of it. Click on the part you want to click on, click View, and make sure Properties is open, and click Properties on where the Windows is. You'll be introduced to a ton of settings on here. Now click Brick Color, and you'll have an abundance of colors to choose from. So I'm going to be choosing cyan. Now, if you don't want the color chosen from here, you want your own one, click Color, and you can choose the colors from this section. Kind of looks like a rainbow when you move it around like this. So I'm gonna choose, I don't know, cyan. Same thing. There, looks like teal. Alright guys, so now that we've already know how to make colors and stuff, let's go over transparency. So let's go ahead and move it up. What you can do is you can change it to 0.5 to make it see-through. Now because it's teal, it's just gonna do that. Now you could also make it more transparent. Keep doing it. The highest you can go is 1, which will make it absolutely invisible. So here's another feature that I like to do: Can Collide. This determines if this block will become knock-lip or not. So if you disable this or uncheck it, this block will become knock-lip, meaning the player will be able to go through this. Now let me show you, for example, inside the game. As I walk into this block, I'll immediately fall and die. This is because I don't have Can Collide enabled. Now, here's what you can make off this. So, I'm going to just delete this part, click the delete key, press the delete key on your keyboard to delete it. So, I'm going to be putting a part here and another part here. So, I could go ahead and just duplicate the parts, press Ctrl D to duplicate them. And there you go. Now, click on a part, and then hold down Control, and then click on any other part you want to be selected. Multi-select. So, there you go. Now, click Can Collide, and there you go. If you go click the play button, we can make an object like this. Oops, my bad. As I was saying, we can make an obby like this, where we have to choose where we're supposed to go. So let's say I'm still on here. The wrong one. So that's a good way to use Can Collide. Now another way is also this. If we just like put a platform right here, and I'll go ahead and make a wall right here. I'll make this red. I'll make the other one yellow. There. So I can easily just click. I'll duplicate the parts. I'll keep doing this continuously right here. Now I'll be changing the colors here. Now I'll speed this up so you don't have to waste your time. Alright, so I've now finished making the patterns and the colors I wanted to choose here. So now, you can click on any part and then hold control to click any other part you want to be selected as well. Oops, my bad. So, oops, click this part and I'll hold control while clicking the other parts I want to be selected. There. Now all the parts that you want to be not clipped, make sure you select them all. Disable can collide. Now when you disable can collide, pay attention to how it says part for items. You're not applying this just to one part, you're applying it to all the parts that you've selected in it. So if I were to change the transparency on here, all of them would be transparent. All the items I've selected would be transparent. So I'm not going to be doing that right now. So now a problem that you guys might have right now is that when you get into the game, maybe or maybe not, your parts may just fall down out of nowhere. This is because you don't have your parts anchored. To have your part anchored, click on model and find the anchor. Make sure this is selected. Or you can go inside here, find anchored, make sure this is checked as well. So you can do it either way. If you do it here, it'll still be checked. So there you go. Now I'm going to make an obby right here. I already made the obby actually. So I can choose where to go. Oh, wrong one. Right here. There you go. Nope. I'll go here and I'll go here. Alright, there you go. Now we went through some things. Now we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna go ahead and make some other obby right here. And I'll make this obby. What I'll do is I will make the material into something else. I'll make this into cracked lava. To change the material, choose the part, click material, choose what you want. I'll do cracked lava like I said earlier. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to get that part. If you cannot get the part like that, you can easily just click the explorer and try to find the part to select. Or you can just do this. There you go. Now to undo any unwanted action, press Ctrl Z. And to redo any action, press Ctrl Y. So right now I'm just going to put this on here like this. And then I'm going to go ahead and make my obby. Now again, I will speed this video up so you don't waste your time. Alright guys, so I finished making my obby right here. Now I'm just going to go ahead and make this non-clip so if you miss the part, you'll just fall down. So I'll go ahead and start my game. Let's see the obby. Alright. Alright, I got a good obby. Alright, let me try to go back. And then... Ah! No! And then I fall down to my death. Now, if you don't want to do that, then you're going to have to make this a death block. Now, this will be for another video. So, I hope you guys learned something new in this video, and I hope you guys have a great day. Be sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss any of my videos when they release.